Welcome to another short lesson. Today we'll talk about two tag-along words in Baluchi language that are indicators of size. And the two tag-along words are ok and ak. Adding an ok is indicative of smallness, whereas ak is the opposite, indicating bigness or something enormous. For example, tree in Baluchi is drachk. A small tree is Drachkok. Some people would only say Drachko and don't pronounce the K. Big tree is Drachkak. This rule can apply to any words in Baluchi. For example, house is lueg. How would you say a small house? Luegok. How would you say big house? Luegak. Similarly, lie is drueg in Baluchi. A small lie, druegok. Big lie, druegak. You can apply the ok and ak formula to anything. However, we need to be cautious when applying it to names. For example, we have the name John. If we add ok to his name, as in Johnok, it would mean Little John, which can be used in a cute and loving way. But this can also be used to offend John. Johnok can be belittling, disrespectful, and that you view John as insignificant, that he doesn't matter. Same thing with Johnak. It would translate to Big John. Again, this can be used in a cute and loving context, but there's also a rude side to it. Johnak showcases the inflated hate you have for John. The ak here illustrates the hatefulness you feel toward the person. I hope this was a useful lesson. Feel free to apply the ok and ak to any Baluchi words you know. And again, be mindful of the differing context when it comes to the names.